How to add your own song to Instagram story. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to add your own song to Instagram story. So the first thing you have to do is open up Instagram and head over to the story section. Then you can choose any picture you want that you want to post on your story. I'll just select this picture. Now what I can do here is simply go ahead and tap on the song option at the top right, and then select any song from here. And then from here you have different audios that you can choose from. This is for you, trending, saved, and then you have original audio. Now if you don't see your original audio on this list, then in that case all you have to do is use CapCut. To add your desired song, you could go to CapCut and then simply go ahead and tap on New Project. Here I have added this picture. Now all I'm going to do is tap on Add Audio. Then I'm going to go to Sounds. And then I'll just go over to my sounds from the device itself. I can import sounds from here. Now I can just head over to the file section over here, and then I can select extracted audios. Then I can just select device here and then add a song. So let me just go ahead and add a random song here. I'll just do this one. And once you've added your song, let me just play it. Now what I'm going to do is just crop this so that it fits the song. You could also cut the audio, so I'll just split the audio here. Let's say if I just want this bit over here, I can split it again, and I'll just delete the remaining audio. Delete this, delete the one in the front, and I can just move it right over here. Then I'll just crop it again to match the video or the photo. It's going to be around 3 seconds. So let's just increase it and make it, let's say 10 seconds for now. I'll just do 10 seconds. Do the same for audio. I'll just drag it all over to the 10 seconds. Now if I just play it, it's going to have a custom audio. Now you can just export this and then post it to Instagram story. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.